Hey guys, this is Kelsey from Frankly Natural Beauty, and today I'm here with my mom Kathy, and today we're making a pumpkin spice soap.
Yes, and it's gonna be with little spiders on top, and the color scheme is gonna be orange and black. And this is gonna be the only Halloween themed soap that we're gonna do this year. And just because we're running out of time, and we're gonna start with Christmas soaps pretty soon. Thank you for watching our channel, and please subscribe if you like this video. Thank you so much. Let's go and start making this soap.
Let's get soaping!
Alright. Alright guys, what I have in my bowl over here, I have my liquid oils. And it's olive oil, castor oil, and sweet almond oil. And here in this other bowl over here, Kelsey, can you please show the other one? This over here has palm oil and coconut oil. Alright, so what I'm going to do, we're going to do the, what are we going to do, Kelsey?
We're going to do the heat transfer method.
That's right, we're going to do the heat transfer method. And we're also going to put a little bit of coconut milk in our soap. It's delicious and it's great for your skin. And we're going to use this orange mica. That is the, I think it's orange vibrance mica from Nurture Soap. And then we have our charcoal for the black. Okay? Activated charcoal powder. And of course we're going to use our favorite fragrance oil from Brambleberry. That's pumpkin spice. Okay? Alright, so let me go and take care of my I'm going to go and prepare my lye solution, and I'll be back. Okay, so we're going to put the lye solution in the solid oils here. Slowly. It's about 190 degrees right now, Fahrenheit. So it's going to melt everything down. I'll mix it up really well till it's nice and melted and liquefied. And then we're going to put it with our other oils. It's going to take a little while, so I'm going to do this, and we're going to come back when I'm done with this. Okay, I melted my solid oils with the lye solution. Now I'm going to put in my liquid oils. I'm going to put my coconut oil, coconut milk, not oil. Coconut milk, and it's different than coconut oil. Very different. I'm done with the mold over here for the main part. Then I'm gonna do the piping. I'm gonna do the spider webs, and we're gonna do little spiders. We're gonna pipe spiders on it. That'll be just in a second. Let me take care of my mix over here. It has to be a little bit thicker. It's not thick enough to do that. So we're gonna wait a little bit, and we're gonna put in our piping bag, and we're gonna make the spider webs first and after the spiders. So I'm back, guys, and I tried to pipe spiders and little web and stuff on top of myself. I really didn't like it. I hated it. So I tried to scrape it all off, and it's okay if it doesn't look that great now, because I'm gonna pipe on top. I went and I made some frosting, and what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna pipe on it. Okay, not the best looking soap I ever made for Halloween, but that's it. It's very simple. Kind of messed up over here a little bit because I tried to put the embeds in there. Tried to put those spiders on it, but they're a little bit too big. So I didn't like the way they looked and took them out over there. Put on a couple. So that's why it's messed up. But that's okay. They're going to look okay when they get cut. Okay, you guys, there you have it. This is our soap this year. Our Halloween soap. Unfortunately, it didn't come up the way I wanted. The little embeds didn't work out the way I wanted it, so I messed up a little bit over here too. But hey, it's okay. There are no mistakes. It's a creative process. So, you know, next time we'll do better. Anyway, we're going to wait for this to saponify and get harder, and in 24 hours we'll cut it. And I'll see you in a second. Hi guys, I'm back, and to tell the truth, this is better than what I imagined. When I did this soap the other night, I was really tired, and I made a couple of mistakes here. Like on top, I wanted to put some spiders on first. I was trying to pipe them out, but I didn't like the way they came out. They just looked like really big blobs. They looked really ugly. I wasn't happy with that. So I scraped them out of the surface there and I decided to pipe them out. And then I was going to put some little plastic spiders on top, but I realized they were too big and they didn't look very good. So I decided to let it stay like this. And you can see what I tried to do that over here, tried to fix it. It looks kind of weird, but when we cut the slices, you're not really going to see that. It's going to be okay. Alright, so let's go ahead and slice this baby. Okay, so I'm just gonna start cutting them. I'm gonna cut a little hand slice over here and see what's going on inside. Oh, look at this. That's kind of interesting. It looks very Halloween-y, right? Elsie, can you give me a little towel there? Please?
Here you go.
Thank you. Okay, so we can clean the blade here. Okay, so let me adjust the slices the way I want it. Okay, and this smells really nice. We used the brambleberry fragrance oil that we use every year. It's the pumpkin spice, right, Kelsey?
Yep.
Oh, I think this is too big of a slice. But it's the end one. See, it's like kind of crazy. Can you see it, Kelsey? Can you see it over here? Okay. So let me adjust this a little bit because it's too big. And I know my customers don't like really big sizes because they're hard to handle in the shower. So, in the bathroom, you know. So let's see. Yeah, that's more like it. Wow, that's a pretty tall soap. Very tall. It's like a really tall soap. It's a high top for real. So it came out alright, Kelsey, right?
Right, it came out beautiful.
Alright, even if it wasn't like, you know, a very planned soap. Really. Because sometimes I do that. And sometimes it goes really, really good and sometimes it doesn't. But I'm surprised that this one came out really good. There's a little glitter on top. Okay, so this one's gonna be ready around, let's see, October 15 maybe, 14, something like that. Gonna be around that. Ready to purchase is our Halloween soap. And I'm gonna make, I think another, is gonna be more like fall soap, fall winter kind of break. So by the time this video is going to be up, the soap's going to be ready to be purchased. And I will put a link on the subscription box too. So if you guys want to buy one slice of this, the soap, you can go and buy it on our Facebook shop. We'll send it to you anywhere in the US. We're not doing overseas just because right now it's kind of weird. Oh, I like this one. This is pretty cool. Look at this slice.
That's awesome.
This is a very cool one. So sorry if I was kind of weird when I was making this earlier because Kelsey wasn't here. I was by myself and it was really late at night and I was trying to I don't know, it was just very very sleepy and I started rambling and stuff, and I usually do that all the time, but you know, that was more than usual. Well, I hope everybody's okay. We are okay. We had a lot of fires around here and you can still smell the smoky wooden stuff that was going on. It's a lot better now because it rained yesterday and it rained a little bit today, I think overnight, so it's purifying the air so we can breathe again. I hope you guys are doing okay wherever you are. Okay, so I'm going to be finishing this and show you the slices. And I hope you guys liked this video, and please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. because we can make more videos. Alright, and please like and comment. I would like to hear from you guys. If you want us to make anything in particular, we'll do that too. And here we are. There they are, our cute little soaps. Well, not so little, but there they are. That's what they look, sliced. Here we go here. Okay guys, I hope you liked this, and like I said before, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel if you are not a subscriber yet. We'll see you on the next video, and I hope everybody has a wonderful day or night. And adios, auf Wiedersehen, ciao, bye, see you next time, bye bye.